All right, welcome back to the After Effects basic training tutorials on Expert Village. What we're talking about here is adaptive resolution in After Effects. And basically what adaptive resolution is it's a selection here from the preview button in the composition window. And I have it selected now, and basically, adaptive resolution allows you to scrub through your project at a lower resolution than you have set in the composition window. So right now, I have the composition set to full resolution instead of one of these lower resolutions, because I like to see exactly what's going on at certain points in time. But when I scrub through the composition, you can see that the resolution drops in order to give me an idea of what's happening as I move through the composition. Now, what I can do is turn that off, but what's going to happen is After Effects can't really keep up with where I'm dragging in the timeline. So most of the time it's going to be best to leave that adaptive resolution on. You can also potentially use OpenGL Interactive or OpenGL Always On, and what that means is that After Effects is going to be using your video card to create previews at all these different points in the timeline. And that may just depend upon the kind of video card that you have and how powerful it is. But something that will almost always work for you, and that I usually use, is this adaptive resolution setting in the pull down from the composition window. So yeah, go ahead and make sure that's selected before you start scrubbing through your composition. And I hope that helps save you some time when you're putting together these animations.